everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Have you been thinking about using AI customer support to reduce your workload, but found that most AI chatbot apps are just too expensive? Well, Shopify might have the answer. In the recently released Shopify Spring Edition 2026, Shopify introduced a brand new AI agent for Shopify Inbox, and it's completely free. Let me show you how to set it up. It's super easy. First, install Shopify Inbox if you haven't already, and complete the basic chat setup. Then go to Inbox Agent, switch the AI agent on, and choose when you'd like it to reply. You can have it answer customers 24/7, or only when your support team is offline. You can also customize the agent's personality to better match your brand voice. Next, don't forget to install the Knowledge Base app. This is where the AI gets answers to questions about shipping, returns, payments, and other facts. This is where you create the AI knowledge base. I recommend adding as many facts as possible to help the AI provide more accurate responses. Before going live, use practice scenarios to test how your AI responds, and make sure your privacy policy explains Shopify's role in processing customer data. Now let's see it in action. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a free AI customer support agent ready to answer common customer questions. If you'd like a more detailed guide, check out the blog linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.